Did you know that just 1 tablespoon before bed can dramatically speed up your muscle recovery, especially if you're over 55? Yes, you heard that right. As we age, our muscles don't bounce back as quickly. A simple fall can take weeks, too. Recover from a bit of yard work might leave you sore for days. But there's good news. Science has discovered that seniors can recover faster, sleep deeper, and wake up with more strength just by adding a few powerful nutrients before bed. In today's video, we'll share a simple 1 tablespoon nighttime remedy to enhance muscle repair. 5 essential vitamins every senior must take at night for recovery and restful sleep. And how to wake up each morning feeling refreshed, pain-free, and ready to move. Let's dive in. Before we talk about the remedy, let's understand why muscle recovery slows down with age. After 55, several changes happen in the body. Your body produces less growth hormone, which is critical for healing tissues. Inflammation increases, especially in joints and muscles. Your muscles naturally lose mass, a process called sarcopenia, and your sleep becomes lighter and shorter, reducing recovery time. This creates a perfect storm: weaker muscles, longer recovery, and higher risk of injury. That's why giving your body the right nutrients before bed is the smartest, safest, and most natural way to recover overnight. Let's start with that 1 tablespoon remedy. What is it? It's tart cherry juice concentrate. Just 1 tablespoon before bed does wonders for seniors. Here's why. Tart cherries are rich in natural melatonin, helping you fall asleep faster and deeper. They contain anti-inflammatory compounds that soothe muscle soreness. Studies show they improve recovery in older adults and athletes alike, and they even help reduce joint pain and stiffness. How to take it? Mix 1 tablespoon of tart cherry juice concentrate into a glass of warm water or herbal tea. Drink it 30 minutes before bedtime. Do this daily for at least 2 weeks and observe the difference in your energy, pain levels, and sleep quality. But that's not all. To maximize results, you need to add 5 specific vitamins before bed that supercharge recovery and promote healthy aging. Let's look at them one by one. If you're over 55 and waking up with cramps or sore muscles, you may be deficient in magnesium. Why it's essential? Magnesium relaxes your muscles and nerves, making it easier to fall asleep. It helps reduce nighttime leg cramps. That boosts muscle protein synthesis, which is how muscles repair after daily strain. Best nighttime form: magnesium glycinate, gentle on the stomach and perfect for sleep. Magnesium citrate helps if you struggle with constipation too. Dose: take 200 to 400 milligrams about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Avoid taking more unless prescribed. Foods rich in magnesium: pumpkin seeds, spinach, avocados, almonds. But remember, food alone may not be enough after 60. That's why supplementing at night is key. Most seniors are deficient in vitamin D, especially those who spend little time in sunlight. Why it matters: vitamin D helps your muscles contract and relax properly. It reduces inflammation, easing muscle and joint pain. It supports your immune system, which plays a role in healing. And low vitamin D is linked to poor sleep quality. Nighttime use: yes, while D is often recommended during the day, low-dose D3 at night can still support recovery without affecting sleep, but avoid high doses at night. Best form: vitamin D3 cholecalciferol. Suggested dose: 1,000–2,000 IU daily. Adjust with your doctor's guidance. Combine with magnesium and vitamin K2 for better absorption. You probably think of vitamin C only for colds, but seniors actually need it every single night for muscles, skin, joints, and recovery. Here's how it helps. Boosts collagen production, which supports your tendons and ligaments. Reduces oxidative stress from daily muscle wear. Strengthens blood vessels, improving circulation to muscles during rest. Supports your immune system as it repairs damaged tissues overnight. Best sources: a Lossid vitamin C supplement like calcium ascorbate, or natural sources like kiwi, bell peppers, and oranges earlier in the evening. Suggested dose: 500 to 1,000 milligrams. Preferably in buffered form to avoid acidity at night. The B vitamins are your body's natural energy helpers, but they also play a role in muscle repair, nerve function, and quality sleep. Why they're needed: at night, vitamin B6 helps the body produce melatonin, which regulates your sleep cycle. Vitamin B12 supports nerve repair, which is essential if you've got tingling or numbness. Vitamin B1 thiamine helps convert food into energy, especially important when muscles need rebuilding. Many seniors are low in B12 due to reduced stomach acid. Taking it at night supports overnight recovery and restores calm energy by morning. Best form, methylated B complex, especially if you have MTHFR gene issues. Tip, avoid taking high doses of B12 late at night if it makes you alert. Take the complex with dinner or 1 to 2 hours before bed instead. Zinc is often ignored, but it's a powerful nutrient for healing muscles, building strength and boosting testosterone in older men. Benefits for seniors, speeds up wound and tissue healing. Supports protein synthesis, the main process behind muscle repair. Improves sleep quality and reduces inflammation. Zinc deficiency in older adults can cause loss of taste or smell, slow healing, weakness, trouble sleeping. Best form, zinc picolinates or zinc citrate. Suggested dose, 10 to 20 milligrams at night with food. Caution, don't exceed 40 milligrams per day unless prescribed. Too much zinc can cause nausea or interfere with copper absorption. Adding these vitamins is powerful, but combine them with a few nighttime habits, and you'll multiply their benefits. Stay hydrated, but don't overdrink before bed. Muscle repair needs water, but too much can interrupt your sleep with bathroom visits. Eat a light protein-based dinner. Foods like cottage cheese, yogurt, or lentils provide amino acids that feed your muscles overnight. Avoid heavy sugar or fried foods at dinner. These cause inflammation and slow recovery. Do light stretching or a short walk after dinner. This boosts blood flow to muscles and improves digestion of your nutrients. Keep a regular sleep schedule. Your body repairs best with 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Let's summarize your new bedtime recovery formula. 1 tablespoon of tart cherry juice concentrate. Take magnesium minus 200 to 400 milligrams. Add vitamin D3 minus 1000 IU. Include vitamin C 500 to 1000 milligrams. Use a bicomplex for nerve and muscle function. Add zinc 10 to 20 milligrams. Stick to a light protein-rich dinner. Sleep 7 to 8 hours in a cool, quiet room. Do this consistently, and within a few weeks, you'll notice reduced muscle pain, faster recovery after activity, deeper sleep, more energy in the morning, and less risk of injury. Just because you're over 55 doesn't mean your body can't recover like it used to. It's with the right nutrients taken at the right time. Especially at night, you can turn your sleep into a healing machine. Every night is a chance for your body to restore itself. Give it the support it needs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Old is Gold, and share this with someone who could use better sleep and faster recovery. You're not too old to get strong again. You just need the right tools. Thank you for